Okay, so it says welcome to Dreamworks Nation. We'd like you to get a feel for it, so take a look behind the scenes to get into how we work. It's a nice site, there's a lot going on, a lot that I recognise obviously because they've got a lot of money in animation. So we've got this Monsters vs Aliens, How to Train Your Dragon, but immediately I'm looking for behind the scenes. The first thing I would do is go to the top right and you can see it's there. I'm guessing they don't place that much of a priority on it, which doesn't surprise me. They place priority in the movies, but we'll go behind the scenes. That was a bit weird, but okay. So we've passed that one. So now you're here, click on our production process, which is just over here. Click through the steps to tell us what you think. So we'll click on that. The way it loads, it doesn't really change the page, it just fades it in. So we've got this production process here, just good old Trek, and I can press next there, and they've got these little buttons here, so I could skip forward to modelling if I wanted to, but let's stay on this. Go to next. It would be nice, obviously the next button just disappears. Because my screen's quite small, it would be nice to have a next over here, or at least up here, but it's not the way they've gone for. Script, storyboards. I think what would be good here is some video, because it's all a bit static, even though there's a giant hand in my face. It's all a bit static, so it'd be nice to actually get an understanding, because let's be honest, I'm not really going to read all that, whereas I'm sure it's useful. It's just I'm more interested in the pictures. Really, it's not giving me a great. See, even in the final mix, you kind of expect something there. I wonder what happens when I click on next. So it just cycles around. Okay. So yeah. So I mean, you've asked me, is it useful? It's useful, but you know, in terms of knowing more, probably want to see a video or something like that. Make this a bit nicer. I mean, this is on every page, so I just got little thumbnails here. It's all a bit strange, a bit small. So we'll fail that one. So did you learn anything? Not really. I didn't really read anything. It's all a bit long-winded. You've asked here, is it a good way of displaying our people? Would you like, oh, take a look at our people. Okay. So, behind the scenes again, maybe? Yeah, our people's there. So it does that weird loader thing again, which I don't really understand. We've got a few people here. I can read some bios. Let's read a bio. So I want to find, this guy looks interesting. Yeah, it's just a little strange the way it kind of flashes and then goes back to where it was. I don't know what technology is built in. And again, I'll just say the same thing, that there's a lot of text. It doesn't, and a picture of the person, it doesn't really give me a good indication of who the guy is, what he does for his job, and as a user, you know, someone who actually enjoys animation, I'm not really going to come on the site and read all of this text. So the video is probably a lot more engaging. So you've asked me would I like to see more. The answer is, well, yeah, I'd like to see what he does, day-to-day life, maybe asking some questions, and again a video would be great. So again, we'll fail that test.